Hey everyone, my name's Sarah and today I'm going to do a review of this compost bin that I ordered off Amazon. The brand name is Nazhura and I got it with 1-day shipping and it arrived in 1 day, so it was super convenient. It was priced at $69 or $70, which is a little bit more expensive than some of the other brands that were listed on Amazon. However, the difference was shipping speed. Like I said, this came in 1 day, super convenient. However, you could order some cheaper ones. I think they were $40 or $50 and it would take a couple weeks for it to arrive to me. So that's why I chose this one. They also come in black. Now, on first box opening, it comes in a flat box. So all of these pieces I had to put together, which took me about 30 to 40 minutes. You can see here it has screws that hold each section together and you piece it together piece by piece. There will be about 55 to 60 screws that you're going to have to complete in order to get this done. There's also a divider in the middle in between these two sections. And that's so that you can have two batches of compost, one for fresher pieces of compost that you want to add, and then this section is more for your finished compost so that you can finish turning it a couple times every week and get this batch done faster, while this one is still where you'd add your fresh compost. One thing I will say about the quality, the plastic seems absolutely fine. It looks like it's going to hold up well. However, the metal frame is a little bit unsteady. You could fix this by making your own frame out of wood 2x4. If you cut it into a triangle shape on each side, you could bolt it together and that would work just fine, I'm sure. If you lived in a rainier climate, I'm not sure how well this would hold up year after year. Because the metal has joints where water can get into and possibly rust out the bottom of this, I'm not sure that this would last more than a couple years if you lived in a rainy climate. However, I live in Arizona. I'm not too worried about the rain or rust. That doesn't really affect us here. But something you might consider, either building your own frame, keeping this under a roof or a porch, or just replacing the frame after a couple years when it does rust out, which it looks like it might. Otherwise, I'm super happy with this. I think it's going to work out great for my purposes. Anyway, I hope this helps.